Hello, this is Roger Steinberg, Low Vision Product Manager here at HumanWare. Today, I would like to show you how to use the optional folding stand for your explorē 12. So that's what we see here at the center of the table, along with a reading document and so forth. So the folding stand weighs about 2.5 pounds. I'll lift it up here, turn it sideways. You can see there's arms with an orange notch on either side. And then there's this black section here. That's the device tray where the explorē 12 will reside once the stand is opened up. But to open the stand, basically grab that device tray right next to this Joy Boy logo and lift up. And you'll hear a click when it finds its place, and that's those two orange buttons on the side latching into place. And then your device tray will now be on the top. I'll turn this to the side so you can see it's open at about a 45-degree angle now. I can lift the device tray up and rotate it over so that it's in its fully open position. I'll again show you the side so you can see what that looks like when it's in its open position. And at this point, there's actually a clear plastic over the top of my document tray that I can remove if I was going to be using this full time. But I can grab my explorē 12 now and set that into the device tray, and it will automatically turn on. And as you can see here, I have my device set up to be in a white text on a black background mode. So it does automatically turn on when it's placed into the stand. I can come up to the upper left of my explorē 12 and power it off. I say I'm done reading now. I can take my device back out of the stand. I'll remove my document. And now I want to fold it up because I'm done reading for the day. So I just lift my device tray, rotate it back around. And then if you'll recall, there's those two buttons on either side. They're orange buttons that have a nice curved spot where you'll feel your thumb fall in. Press each of those in and lower the arms until it folds back into its fully folded position. And now it's ready to be stored in your carry bag or move from location to location to use it where you need to have the folding stand. So again, check back in with us later to learn how to use the explorē 12 itself. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you again soon.